means something different for everybody else. I mean, I genuinely think that everybody has a purpose. I think everybody is here for a reason, you know, and I think that every single person has a unique set of gifts, talents, and experiences. And in some way, following the joy connects you to it. Now, it might not be that your joy is the thing, but following your joy connects you to it, because it was by doing singing, by doing music, by actually leaving my corporate career and setting up music sessions for children was part of it. It started me on my journey to where I am now. Without setting up music sessions for children, I wouldn't have uncovered using music to help children with behaviour. I wouldn't have uncovered music to get kids shoes and coats on, do you know? So I'm not saying that, like, for me as I was a child, all I wanted to do was music. Now, being a rock star was what I thought it might be, the thing for me. That's what I would have loved to have done. But that's not what I've ended up doing. But it is still connected to my purpose, because everybody can bring something to help others. And it's finding it is in some way connected to following your joy. That's why people go on about it.